The Rockwell International Site in Lancaster is where the space shuttle was manufactured. Edwards Air Force Base, to the north, beyond the next hill, is where the shuttle was tested. When the shuttle returns, after circling the Earth, it will also land there. At least, that's how NASA tells it. Mr. Johnson explains, you can't circle a flat world. The space shuttle is a farce, a hilarious farce. Charles Johnson is on the level, and his quiet voice exudes conviction. He argues that the primary goal of the space program is to perpetuate a debunked myth that the planet is a globe. He claims that nobody understands anything about the real form of the planet. The world we know and live in is flat. I'd suppose that the dome of heaven is around 4,000 miles distant and that the stars are roughly the same distance apart as San Francisco and Boston. The known Earth is as spherical and flat as a phonograph record, according to a map released by Johnson. At the middle is the North Pole. The southern ice, reported to be a 150-foot high wall, is on the outskirts. No one has ever passed it, thus what lies beyond is unknown. In Johnson's rendition, the sun and moon are only approximately 32 miles across. They orbit over the equator, and their apparent rising and setting are perspective trickery, similar to train lines that appear to meet in the distance. The moon is not overshadowed by the Earth and shines by its own light. Lunar eclipses are triggered by an unseen dark body occasionally passing in front of the moon. Johnson's faith is strongly based on the Bible. The planet is flat, according to several Old Testament texts, but there's more to it than that. Jesus ascended up into heaven, according to the New Testament. The whole point of the Copernican theory is to get rid of Jesus by saying there is no up and no down, declares Johnson. The spinning ball thing just makes the whole Bible a big joke. Wherever you find people with a great reservoir of common sense, he says, they don't believe idiotic things such as the Earth spinning around the sun. Reasonable, intelligent people have always recognized that the Earth is flat. The flat Earth map was chosen as the UN Charter's emblem when it was drafted in San Francisco. What's the point of declaring the Earth to be flat? Johnson answers that the sun shall no more go down is a predicted requirement for universal rule, Isaiah 60:20. This can be accomplished by acknowledging that dawn and sunset are visual illusions. The United Nations did select a global map for its official seal that was identical to the one on Johnson's office wall. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.